Hi guys. So we got a package again. So let's see what's inside. I don't know what that is. So it's a Zwilling JA hand kills. Dito. Wow. So this is what we got. So I ordered this online at the main store, Zwilling JA Handcraft. So I've been wanting this for a long time. So it's on sale, that's why I get it. So it's the Twin Gourmet 10-piece knife block set. So let's open the box. It has a good packaging. So this is what I get here. This is what I get. The vegetable knife, paring knife, tomato bagel knife, utility knife, chef's knife, bread knife, santoko knife, twin shears and sharpening steel, and a knife block set. So let's open it. So excited. I like this. This is kind of expensive, but I've been liking this for a long time. This is what you get. And you get this, the user manual. Because I want to. So this is the block set. Good quality. There's nothing more inside. So here are the knives, I guess. So here is the shearing wheel, so it can't remove. It's fixed like this. Should be like this. Put it here. And we have this, what do you call this? We have this sharpening steel. So this is like a toy for me, big boy's toy. I don't always cook, but I like this. I cook sometimes, but I want to have a good quality knife. They said that this knife will last you for a long time, for a lifetime. So, has has a good packaging. So this is what we have. So I'll put down this first and clean this up here. So this is the bread knife. Queen Gourmet bread knife. This is the chef's knife. Has a good feel on your hands. Look sharp. And this one is the Santoku knife. This one is made in Spain. Made in Spain, not in Germany. So here is one of the what's this one? Utility knife.
Hello.
That's my daughter right there.
I'm gonna poo poo. Tata will wash my foot. I don't know how to wash my own foot. I'm five.
Go poo poo.
Yeah.
So here's another
Hello.
paring knife. Here is a vegetable knife. And here is a tomato and bagel knife. So these are the things that we get right here. I'll show you the video. So these are what we get. 10 piece. That's a good quality knives. So now we put it in the block right here. I don't know if I'm putting it right, but doesn't matter. So there's one missing. There's one extra slot for extra knife. So if you're gonna buy like another knife, at least you can put one more knife here. So this is it. I like this. I like this knife set. Looks sharp. So now guys, we put the knife to the test. You guys see that? On my previous knife, I cannot cut apple like this. Thin like this. So it's a good knife.